Hi, Nandi here. Today I'm going to talk about Photoshop. So what is Photoshop and why you should use Photoshop? So why Photoshop? Photoshop, if you take, when I started, it was like 2007. There, it's completely, it's a basic applications. It's like Element, and after that, seven. So many versions came, but I started with seven. So this is industry standard applications where for corporate and their personal work, you can run your own business through this one. So if you are having agency, or if you want to run the agency, or if you are a photographer, whatever. So many reasons people are opting for Photoshop, because Photoshop, they didn't stop anywhere. They keep growing like anything. So example, if I say, okay, what is the best thing, today we see here. So that is one 3D, and another one is timeline. It's a video. So earlier you used to say GIF file is made by Photoshop. Earlier I used to do that. Now it's very easy. GIF is nothing. So now you can see this one is like a timeline. Just I'm dropping something here, because I was ready to take this one, because just wanted to see. Yeah. So I'll just run this show. See this. So this is nothing else but video. Nothing else but video. You can see here whatever the things I can. It's easy. It's very easy. I mean, you can edit the things. You have audio. You can change the audio. You can change the clips. You can add some other stuffs. So we didn't had any idea that Photoshop will come with the new options, but I'm really happy for that. And 3D also is there. You can make 3D text and layers and all. So that I am not going to take that class today. This is just why you should use the Photoshop. It means when it is industry standard, definitely. So you can if you decided you wanted to be a designer, or whatever. So definitely you should start with Photoshop. So you it's not like you should learn only these things. Photoshop has lot of features that I cannot even imagine, because I don't know, everything. I just know few things that, basically we work for corporate, so definitely we should know few things. So definitely I'll care about that. Other than that, you can, oh, I'm sorry, this file is missing, I guess. Yeah. So other than that, so many other stuffs you can do. Video 3D, so many other features are adding. So definitely it'll be very helpful for you if you want to start your career as a graphic designer. So you are very much interested, definitely you start with this. So if you have any questions, you need to know about Photoshop, like how it works, and uh, you want to improve your knowledge about Photoshop. Definitely you can ask in comment box, and anything you can mail me also. So I hope this is enough for today. Thank you very much. Please do subscribe. Don't miss it, because it helps me a lot. Okay, thank you very much.